Wednesday, and me and Tom have gone for like a little walk down in like the shopping area. We went out for lunch with our aunt, but she had to run off.
Go and pick up the kids.
Yeah, so we're just gonna have like a little walk around, little venture.
Oh, can we go into Famous Footwear? I'm gonna go and get some more boots.
Okay, let's go to Famous Footwear. So we went to Walmart, and as you can see right behind us they have massive Christmas trees and like candy cone, what are they called? Post things.
Candy canes.
Candy canes, candy cones. Yeah.
English out.
I know, it's so cool. It is so hot outside, so we both decided to get a frozen yogurt. Mine is strawberry, sorry. Mine is strawberry and New York cheesecake flavour, which is melting, and yours is
ice cream batter.
Oh, did you just get the one?
Yeah.
That's gross.
Well, the batter tastes really nice.
My bags are so heavy. Okay, so yeah, so now we are walking back.
Catherine won't stop bitching.
Won't stop what?
Bitching.
What?
Bitching. Moaning.
Oh. Okay, anyways.
Being deaf as well, apparently.
Huh? We've come into San Diego for lunch, and they have like this, it used to be a like jail, a prison, and it's so cool. Like, Tom, why don't, oh my god, there's one open.
Don't close it because it won't open again.
Fill the beds, are they comfortable? Why are you trying to close it? Fill the beds.
The metal framed.
That's horrible. Go to the loo. Oh my gosh. Oh, they put plastic on it. Oh. Ew, it's so small. Like there's no room in it whatsoever. Goodbye.
No, Governor, no, let me out.
It's like really windy. So our aunt booked this wine tasting thing today, and it was so good, but it's really gone to my head.
She's pretty much tipsy.
I had to have him drink all my wine. Also, I apologise for all these spots on my chin. Like, they decided to come out just before we left to come here, so that's annoying.
Because all that amount of makeup you wear. Look at all this makeup. It's too much. Not my makeup, it's just lovely.
Yeah. Anyways, so the wine tasting was really good, and we had some food with it, which is nice. And now we're just gonna have a chilled evening, I think.
Yep.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Today we are spending our morning / afternoon at the mall, which is cool. And Tom and I, we've got like sort of matching Christmas jumpers, which is awesome.
You're sad.
Yeah, well you're the one who agreed to get it too.
Shh, don't tell everyone that.
Yeah, and yeah, so we're at the mall. They've got a sushi boat. If you wanna go
Do you want sushi?
Okay, we'll go there for lunch. But I want to go Forever 21 first.
We've just been in Forever 21.
No, that...
Inside the mall.
You didn't.
You went in there. You went, I'm going Forever 21.
Yeah, I didn't find it.
You're a bitch.
They're currently doing the Christmas tree as well.
My fat head was
Okay. I feel like I want... Oh my god, why is it splashing everywhere? I feel like I want to walk under it. That is so cool. My foot just got wet.
Smiling, being happy.
day today. It is now Sunday. I know I've missed so many days. Tom and I had a fab time in America. We got back Tuesday afternoon and it's all back to reality. We're back to work. Well, Tom hasn't been, but I have. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm still feeling slightly jet lagged, hence why I haven't picked up the camera. But yeah, we had a fab time in America. I don't think I really explained, Tom and I stayed with our aunt and uncle who lives out there with our two cousins. So yeah, it's been fantastic. So yeah, I am going to end the video here. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I upload videos every Monday 3 PM, and I also have a blog, so I upload on there every Fridays 5 PM, so that'll be in the description down below, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye.